Konnichiwa! This is part 2 of Come Eat With Me in Tokyo, Japan. And I found this onigiri, which I've never seen before. Like, it looks packaged really well, so we love that. Rate it like a 10 out of 10 for packaging. It also just like looks nice. And of course, it's from 7-Eleven, so let's try it. Okay. Ooh, wow. It even has this plastic thing here. Wow, fancy. I got the one that has salmon and roe in it. Like, so nice. It's wrapped beautifully. Oh my God, I don't even know how much I paid for this. Anyways, let's try it. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. So it's probably one of the better onigiris that I've had. It does have a lot of rice, but it's okay. Mm-hmm. Yay! So good. See you next time.